What's up everyone? Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of luxury, power, and next-level machines. If you love premium SUVs, bold design, and pure road presence, you're in the right place. Today on Channel V8X, we're taking a deep cinematic look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class, finished in an elegant glossy black. The moment you see the front view, the GLE makes a statement. That bold Mercedes grille, the sharp LED headlights, and the wide, confident stance instantly tell you this SUV means business. In black, the 2026 GLE looks aggressive, clean, and undeniably upscale, the kind of vehicle that commands attention before it even starts moving. Slide into the side profile, and the design language really shines. The flowing body lines, large alloy wheels, and perfectly balanced proportions give the GLE a sporty yet luxurious look. From this angle, you can see how Mercedes blends elegance with strength. It's smooth, muscular, and refined all at once. Now let's talk about the rear view, because this is where the GLE truly flexes its luxury DNA. The LED tail lights glow with a modern signature, the wide rear stance adds confidence, and the subtle chrome details finish it off perfectly. This back angle looks just as premium at night as it does in daylight, a true luxury SUV from every perspective. Step inside, and the dashboard view takes things to another level. Dual digital displays, ambient lighting, premium leather, and a driver-focused cockpit make you feel like you're in control of something special. Every button, every screen, every surface feels thoughtfully designed, modern, intuitive, and unmistakably Mercedes. From above, the drone view shows just how well-proportioned the GLE really is. The black paint reflects the environment beautifully, giving the SUV a cinematic presence that looks straight out of a high-end commercial. On the highway shot, the GLE feels effortless. It glides over the road, stable, quiet, and confident, exactly what you expect from a luxury SUV in this class. And during the night shot, the black GLE becomes pure drama. Glowing headlights, city lights in the background, and that sleek silhouette make this SUV look powerful, expensive, and timeless. Right in the middle of all this luxury, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class is expected to start around the $60,000 range, depending on trim and options, a price that reflects its premium build, advanced technology, and unmistakable brand value. Closing, channel call. So whether it's the front, side, back, interior, or that stunning night presence, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class in black proves why it remains one of the most respected luxury SUVs on the road. Thanks for watching Channel V8X. If you enjoyed this cinematic breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because Channel V8X always brings you the best in luxury and performance.